Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the overdrive settings on your CHiQ 22F650 monitor. So first, what we want to do is we want to open up the monitor settings by swiping to the right with our multi-switch. Here we need to swipe to the right again to open the illuminance settings. And now let's scroll down to overdrive. And here we will be able to change it. As you guys can see, current operation will increase product energy consumption, and if you want to continue, then we need to swipe to the up, now to the right. And as you guys can see, now we can change it by going either up or down. So here we can turn off the overdrive. We can set it as weak, medium, strong, and that's basically what can we do. It's totally up to our preference. Me personally, I use it as medium because it was the default setting. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.